Hey there!
How are you feeling about 2025?
Are you ready to make this your best year yet?
I know, it can be easy to get lost in the chaos of big New Year's resolutions and overwhelming goals. But what if I told you that you don't need a massive overhaul to see a huge change in your life? Sometimes the smallest shifts can have the most profound impact. Today, I'm going to share with you 9 simple changes you can make in your daily routine that will have a powerful effect on your life this year. These aren't huge, time-consuming tasks, just small, intentional tweaks that will help you stay focused, organized, and aligned with the life you truly want. Ready to dive in?
Let's get started!
First up, buy pens and notebooks and make sure they're always in a designated place. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, not being able to find a pen when you need to journal or jot down a motivational thought can be surprisingly frustrating. Keep your writing tools organized so nothing stops you from capturing your ideas, setting intentions, and keeping track of your goals. Number 2. Pick up 5 things every day. This simple habit of decluttering can have a huge impact. Whether it's clothes, papers, or random items scattered around, picking up 5 things a day helps create a sense of accomplishment. And here's the bonus. Keep a list of those things you've picked up, or the areas you've tidied. It's a positive reinforcement technique. Not only are you decluttering your space, but you're also seeing your progress every day, which motivates you to keep going. Next, be ruthless with your possessions. If something isn't serving you or improving your life, it's time to let go. Unless it's life-changing, get rid of it. This doesn't just apply to physical items. It can be old habits or negative beliefs too. Purge what no longer aligns with the future you're trying to create. Change number 4. Stop buying things you don't truly need. Instead, create a list of what will make the most positive impact on your life in the long run. Things like hobbies, experiences, or investments in your well-being. This is where your money and energy should be directed, toward the things that will truly elevate your life. Here's one of my favorite tips. Play positive, inspirational music while you're creating your vision board, journaling, writing lists of gratitude, or simply visualizing the life you want. Why? Because we need to feel the emotion, not just think the thoughts. Music can elevate your energy and bring your dreams to life, helping you stay uplifted and inspired. A little positivity goes a long way in creating a snowball effect of good vibes. Now, let's focus on breaking those habits that no longer serve you. Choose 3 small changes you want to make each week. Things like putting your keys back on the hook as soon as you walk in, or tidying up the kitchen before bed. Write them down and keep them somewhere visible, so you're reminded daily. By focusing on these small changes consistently, you'll begin to rewire your brain. Over time, these little adjustments will transform into lasting, positive habits. Number 7. Just take action. It's so easy to get caught up in overthinking, trying to figure out what to do and how to do it perfectly. Do your research, then dive in. Clarity comes when you start moving, and mistakes will become your greatest teachers. Once you've done it, do it again. The path to mastery is paved with consistent effort and repetition. Tip number 8. Don't engage in negative conversations. You don't have to argue or try to change people's minds, but you can choose to rewrite the script in your own head. Find peace within yourself. Walk away with positive energy and refuse to let negativity steal your peace. Be mindful of your thoughts and take a moment to plan ahead. If you know you're about to face a busy drive that usually triggers negative thoughts or reactions, take control before it even starts. Visualize your journey unfolding the way you want it to. Peaceful, relaxing, and under your control. Picture yourself enjoying the beautiful scenery, listening to an engaging story, or tuning into an inspiring podcast. Feel the sense of calm as you focus on the things you love. Imagine the comfort of your car, the seat supporting you, and if it's a hot day, sense the refreshing cool air from the AC. When you take a few moments to mentally prepare, you're setting the stage for a peaceful drive. By visualizing how you want to feel before the situation unfolds, you're taking control of your emotions and shifting your experience in a positive direction. So there you have it, 9 small yet powerful changes you can make in 2025 to transform your life. It's not about doing everything perfectly, but about being consistent and intentional with the habits you create. Start small, build momentum, and before you know it, these simple changes will have a massive impact on your life. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content that can help you create the life you desire. Remember, the universe is always responding to your energy, so make it count.